CybertronPC Rhodium R7 Gaming Desktop. Reviewed discount unbox and setup. I've had this for a few days and I'm extremely happy with it. I do like to play games sometimes, but more my purpose for a PC like this is for software development. I need the high quality graphics for Photoshop and I also need lots of memory for VM and troubleshooting SQL Server DB issues. So if you are a web and/or DB software developer who happens to like gaming once in a while, this is a preposterously good combination of features for a more than reasonable price. Some specific things I love about this as well as the machine is super quiet and it's got lots and lots of USB ports, you can never have enough of those. Also if I should need to upgrade, it's easy to do. My last HP wasn't upgradable to any decent extent. I also did have one support call to get a new product key for Windows that was extremely well taken care of. Turnover was a bit more than 1 day, but that's a lot better than most of the big players out there. When I called tech support, the wait was only about 5 minutes and they took care of my issue within the hour. So I'd conclude tech support is much better than you'll find in any of the more mainstream PC vendors. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.